Hello students, from 4th standard you are stepping to 5th standard now. Now first lesson in this first term is Earth the Desolated Home, and in this we are seeing the thing happening in the 2068, year 2068, now 2020, and in 2068 what happened we have to see. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. Colonizing means occupying the red planet Mars. Colonizing the red planet Mars. The humans destroyed the earth. We are living in the planet earth. So in 2068, the humans destroyed the earth and they started to occupy the red planet Mars. And our India established 3 colonies. And Aryumati, this is in this lesson the character about Aryumati only we are going to talk. Aryumati's family lived in such colony. And which girl? Aryumati. Aryumati lived in one of the such colony. And on her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. From 1500 kilometers, her grandfather came to wish her on the birthday. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in the capsule. Capsule means in the red planet Mars, it is bed. Bed. Understand? Capsule like bed. And Aryumati was sleeping in the bed. And the grandfather said, "Wake up, Aryu, get up, Aryu." Aryumati was surprised seeing grandfather. "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." He said he not expected her grandfather on that day. And grandfather said, "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? In the planet Mars, always dust storm is there. So nobody came here. Sometimes it even lasts for months. But this time, no dust storm. So that only I am on time." Grandfather replied, "For no dust storm, so that only I came to wish you." And it still took me 3 sols. Sols means days. In Earth, we are saying days. In red planet Mars, we are saying sols. S-O-L-S, sols. And now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetables and have for which, understand? Harvest the vegetation, have for vegetables. They are ready to go to harvest. And in the hab means habited. The humans are living, no? That is called hab. Habited. Humans settled in that place, no? That is called habited. In the hab, he said, in the hab, grandfather said, "These carrots are not tasty anymore like the ones I ate in my childhood." He remembered the childhood days and said, "These carrots, nowadays these carrots are not tasty. While in childhood days it was very tasty," he said. Now Aryumati asked, "Why do you say so, Grandpa? Why are you saying like that?" Said grandfather explained, "The vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones as on the earth. Now they are living in red planet Mars." So he is comparing the vegetable with the grows on the earth. So the vegetable that grows on earth was very tasty comparing to the red planet. "I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth." Arivu asked eagerly, "How did they grow the crops and vegetables on earth?" "How you grow?" asking. "How you grew the crops and vegetables?" asking. Hearing this, grandfather reminded of life on the earth. He started remembering. He said the earth had fertile soil. Fertile means in that soil plants grow very well. Fertile. Fertile means the plants grow very well, which is, and so the fruits and vegetables grow were healthy and tasty. In that fertile soil, the plants and vegetables, fruits grow very healthy and also very tasty. She asked, then Aryumati asking, "But I learned that humans use chemical fertilizers to clean the field, they are using chemical fertilizers, and what happened? The soil was polluted. Due to chemicals, the soil was polluted, and now here in Mars we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct? He is asking her grandfather. She is asking her grandfather. Now grandfather laughed and said, these fruits and vegetables and also water are not the same as in the earth. The fruits, vegetables and water from the planet Mars are not the same as on the earth. As in the earth. They are not at all real. They are not at all real. Arivu asked, even the water also not real? Asking. He said, of course. In Mars we get water from burning fuels. Fuels means diesel, petrol, like that. Fuels. From burning the fuels we are getting the water. So it is not real. On the earth we usually get the water from rain, and it is very natural also. We are getting the natural water to drink, and it was free. She said, Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. Don't want to say about your stories about earth. I know that the life there was easy on the earth, but here in the planet Mars, the survival means to remain alive, is very difficult. And today we are fighting for things which we got easily. Now he continued. Now father is continuing. In the earth you did not need a space suit or oxygen cylinder to carry. But in Mars, without space suit and oxygen cylinder, we can't live. Also the years are longer there. In Mars, the years are very longer. Comparing to Earth, the years are very longer in planet Mars. Yes, Grandpa, in Mars, 668 sols. That means 687 Earth days make a year. He smiled. Haha, yes, you would be 18 years old on the Earth now. Comparing to planet Mars, on the Earth, she was 18 years old. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, that is planet Earth. The home that nature had offered us, gave us. The home that nature had offered us, we destroyed that one. Now we are trying to make this our home. Here this means planet Mars. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The scientists are trying to terraform. Terraform means to make the planet Mars, change the environment suitable for living human beings. Today we should celebrate on that day. True, but nothing can be on the earth. The earth is our home. The home is earth only. Let us leave this for now. Today we should celebrate my birthday. Now here I said capsule. Adhyumati slept in capsule. I said capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed in Mars. A small cylinder shaped bed. This is meanings of this lesson. Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed. Small cylinder shaped bed. Now next, sol. I said sol means day. In here we are saying day. In Mars that is called sol. Next, hab. Hab means habitat. That means human settled in that place. Habitat. Fuels. I said in Mars the water is getting from burning fuels. So here fuels means energy source for engines. That is diesel, petrol, that one. Energy source for engines. Next one, survival. I said survival. Survival in the red planet is very difficult. I said in that lesson. So survival means to remain alive. To remain alive. Alive. To remain alive. Now next one, adapting. Modifying. Adapting. Modifying. Then I next said terraform. Terraform means what I said, to make the planet Mars suitable to live for human beings. To make the environment suitable for humans. The next one, scientist. Those who are expert in science are called scientist. That is good in those who are good in science are called scientist, otherwise expert in science. So here the meanings are given here. Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed in red planet Mars. And sol, day. Habited. Then human settlement. Habitat means human settlement. Fuels, an energy source for engines. I said I used the word fuels. By burning the fuels, we are getting the rain on planet Mars. Survival, to remain alive. And adapting, modifying. Terraform, to make the environment suitable for humans. Scientist, good in science.